Do you know what the supreme law of India is? It's none other than the Constitution of India, the cornerstone of the nation's legal and political system. The Constitution serves as the guiding light, laying down the framework for India's political code, government institutions, and the fundamental rights and duties of its citizens. Adopted on the 26th of November in 1949 and effective from the 26th of January 1950, the Constitution replaced the Government of India Act of 1935. It declared India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. The Constitution of India isn't just a document. It's a living testament to the vision of the architects of modern India. It's an embodiment of the values, hopes, and aspirations of billions. It's the supreme law that governs the world's largest democracy. So, the Constitution holds a pivotal place in governing the world's largest democracy. Have you ever wondered how this supreme law came into existence? The birth of the Constitution of India was not a swift process. It all began with its adoption by the Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949. This was a significant moment in history as it meant the replacement of the Government of India Act 1935. This new constitution declared India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. It was not an overnight task, though. It took the Constituent Assembly almost 3 years to draft this monumental document. And this assembly was not short of great minds. Key figures like B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Rajendra Prasad were instrumental in its formation. The Constitution was then signed by 284 members, marking a momentous occasion. It became effective on January 26, 1950, a day now celebrated as Republic Day in India. Thus began a new era of governance in India, guided by a comprehensive and inclusive constitution. So, what exactly does this constitution contain? Well, it's a hefty document, divided into 22 parts with 444 articles. It's like a grand blueprint, laying down the ground rules for the running of the country. Among these articles, you'll find provisions for fundamental rights, ensuring equality, freedom, and education for all citizens. There are also directive principles, which act as guidelines for the government to build a just and equitable society. The Constitution also outlines fundamental duties, the moral obligations that all citizens are expected to uphold. And it doesn't stop there. The Constitution also details the roles, powers, and duties of various government institutions. This includes the President, Prime Minister, Parliament, Judiciary, Comptroller, and Auditor General of India, and even the state governments. It's like a giant jigsaw puzzle, with each piece playing a crucial role in the functioning of the nation. And when you step back, you see the bigger picture, a detailed guidebook for running the country. In essence, the Constitution is a detailed guidebook for running the country. What makes the Constitution of India unique? Let's dive into its key features that truly set it apart. Firstly, it declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. This means India stands as an independent nation. Its government runs on the consent of the people, and all citizens have equal rights. Next, the Constitution guarantees fundamental rights to all citizens. These include the right to equality, freedom, religion, and education, ensuring that every individual is treated fairly and has the freedom to express themselves. Additionally, it contains directive principles. These are guidelines for the government to follow in order to create a just and equitable society. Let's not forget the fundamental duties, which are moral obligations that all citizens are expected to uphold, fostering a sense of responsibility in every individual. The Constitution also establishes a parliamentary system of government with a two-house legislature and an independent judiciary with the Supreme Court of India at the apex. These features make the Constitution a living document constantly adapting to the needs of the country. How has the Constitution shaped India's journey so far? A question that takes us through the tapestry of India's evolving socio-political landscape. The Constitution, a dynamic document, has been amended 105 times, each amendment reflecting the changing needs and aspirations of the country. Take, for example, the important Article 14, ensuring equality before the law, or Article 15, prohibiting discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. These articles have been instrumental in upholding the rights and dignity of every Indian citizen, and in shaping a diverse yet unified nation. The Constitution's legacy is not just confined to the realm of law and governance. It has been a beacon of hope, a guide leading the country towards a just and equitable society. It has fostered a sense of shared identity and common purpose among the Indian people. It has shaped India's journey from a newly independent nation to a vibrant democracy. The Constitution of India thus continues to inspire and guide the nation towards a just and equitable society. Did this journey through India's constitutional legacy enlighten you? If so, we encourage you to hit that like button below. Your appreciation motivates us to produce more informative videos like this one. Now think about someone else who might benefit from this video. A friend, a family member, or even a colleague who's interested in the rich tapestry of India's socio-political history. Go ahead and share this video with them. Our goal is to spread knowledge and foster a deeper understanding of our world. And finally, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you're not just joining a community of curious minds, you're also ensuring that you never miss out on our upcoming videos. We have a lot more exciting and insightful content lined up for you. From all of us here, we thank you for your support and engagement. Remember, every like, share, and subscription helps us in our mission to make knowledge accessible to all. So stay curious, stay informed, and stay connected with us.